This is Mr. Chris from Rockstar Ballet. We're here with the wonderful Mr. Nolan from the Moving Company in Timonium, Maryland, and we're working on pirouettes with him this morning. So let's slow this down. I've been working with him on giving him a nice second position. I'd like him to drop in the waist a little bit more. This is a nice line. He could get a little bit more through the port de bras and then maintain the turnout and not over rotate as he comes down. And as he goes out here, I want him to keep his elbows up a little bit so he has a more full presentation. Not a bad pirouette, but he needs to finish the spot off. Now I want to highlight this beautiful line because he's got such excellent length. Look at that lovely tombe out, shoulders open, elbows up, just really nice on what we've been working on. It's going to pirouette. We're going to go side by side here. And if you watch a little bit, his front leg's not quite as turned out as we'd like. And then the spot doesn't quite carry all the way around, and it's something that we're working on in class. But he comes down pretty nicely and recovers for the next step. It's a nice allonge through, and then again, I'd like him to maintain his turnout and height in his body, not bend quite so far forward. But here we're going to look at the lovely pirouette that he finished off with. I don't want him to go up into the forced arch before he goes, but look at this beautiful position. He snaps his head lovely around 3 times, and it ends in this excellent elongated position. I would like his front leg to be a little more turnout and him not to be quite so rotated on the quasi. But he did an excellent job.